Hello, welcome to ShopSmart, your channel for honest reviews that help you make the best choices when shopping. If you're thinking about investing in a portable ice maker, today we're talking about the NEWBULIG Ice Makers Countertop with handle. And the link to the product is in the description below. Check out the updated prices there. If you like reviews like this that get straight to the point without fluff, subscribe to the channel now and turn on notifications. That way you won't miss any tips that can save you money and time. Let's dive in. Today, in this complete review, we're going to answer the big questions. Is it good? Is it worth it? The NEWBULIG is a portable countertop ice maker designed to produce ice quickly and without hassle. Let's dive into the details so you can decide if it fits into your daily life. First, the main specifications. This machine makes 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. That's super fast for chilling drinks at a party or in everyday use. In 24 hours, it can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice, which is about 12 kilograms, enough for a small family or a group of friends at a barbecue. It offers 2 cube sizes, small for drinks that need cool quickly, and larger for coolers or longer-lasting uses. One of the cool things is the portability. It comes with a handle for easy transport, ideal for taking to camping, RV trips, parties, or even the office. It includes a basket and an ice scoop, which makes handling easier. And it's quiet, with less than 40 decibels of noise. Think of the sound of a low conversation, nothing that will bother you in the kitchen. It has smart infrared sensors that detect when the reservoir is out of water or when the ice basket is full, preventing messes. And the auto cleaning function, just press a button for 5 seconds and done. The machine takes care of the rest, circulating water to keep everything hygienic. Perfect for those who don't want maintenance headaches. Now, let's get to what matters. Is it good? Based on the specifications, yes, it seems like a good option for anyone who needs fresh ice without relying on the fridge freezer, which is often slow or makes ice that tastes like food. It's versatile for home, kitchen, camping, or RV use, and the black color gives it a modern touch. But to be honest, like any portable ice maker, expect bullet-shaped cubes. They're hollow and can melt faster than solid freezer ice. It's not an industrial solution for big events, but for daily or occasional use, it should work well. Reviews of similar models highlight the convenience, but some mention that durability can vary, so take good care of it to make it last longer. If you're enjoying this detailed analysis, give it a like right now. That helps the algorithm show the video to more people like you who want smart decisions. And subscribe to ShopSmart for more reviews like this. Pros: fast ice production, portability with handle, easy auto cleaning, quiet operation, and smart sensors. It's compact, fits on the counter without taking up much space, and comes with useful accessories like the basket and scoop. Potential cons: since it doesn't require plumbing installation, you need to add water manually. The reservoir isn't infinite. For large families or long parties, it might not replace buying bags of ice. And based on general feedback for portable ice makers, the ice might not be as hard as from more expensive machines, but that's expected in this range. So, is it worth it? It depends on your lifestyle. If you love ice drinks, do frequent picnics, or live in an RV where space is premium, yes, it's worth the investment for the convenience and speed. Expect a machine that delivers fresh ice in minutes, making life easier without complications. But if you rarely need extra ice, it might not be essential. In the end, it's a practical tool for those who value portability and simplicity. Before wrapping up, if you decide to buy, use the link in the description. It's the same product, but it really helps my work here on YouTube, allowing me to keep bringing honest reviews like this. Your support makes all the difference. Thanks for watching this review of the NEWBULIG Ice Makers Countertop with handle. If it helped you decide, like the video and subscribe to ShopSmart for more content that empowers your shopping. Leave in the comments, do you already have an ice maker like this? What's your experience? See you in the next video. Bye.